Students, welcome back. Today we are going to start mean deviation and coefficient of mean deviation. I have taken illustration number 8 given on page number 135. Now these are the values of x. Only values are given. It means ungrouped data is given. ये सिर्फ values दे के रखिए, so it is ungrouped data. Now let's start the calculation. The first thing we have to find out x bar. So let's apply the formula of x bar. X bar is equal to sigma x upon n. Now sigma x, this is x. These are the values of x. And sigma means total. तो इन सभी का टोटल करना है. 46 plus 58 plus 60. In this we have to do the total of all the values. After doing the total you will get 480. तो total करने के बाद you will get 480. Now let's put the value here. 480 divide by n. N means total number of observations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have got 8 observations. So that will be the value of n. So divide by 8. After dividing you will get 60. So we have got x bar, that is 60. Now the second thing, we have to make one column here, and that column will be, we have to find out deviation from mean. That will be x minus x bar. So this will be the deviation from mean. मतलब ये जो ऑब्जर्वेशंस है वो मीन से कितने दूर हैं उनका चेंज हमें फाइंड करना है, डेविएशन फाइंड करना है. इज इट क्लियर? सो दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ x और इसमें से हम माइनस करेंगे x बार की वैल्यू. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द कैलकुलेशन. 46 minus 60 because x bar is 60. So you will get minus 14. This value is smaller and this is bigger. So your answer will be negative, minus में आएगा. 58 minus 60. So it will be minus 2. 60 minus 60. It will be 0. 43 minus 60. So you will get minus 17. 75 minus 60. So your answer will be plus 15. 66 minus 60. It will be 6. 51 minus 60. Minus 9. 81 minus 60. It will be 21. Now one more thing you have to verify. जब भी हम x माइनस एक्स बार करते हैं तो इन सभी का जो टोटल होगा वो ज़ीरो होना चाहिए. यानी जो भी प्लस की वैल्यूज़ हैं और माइनस की वैल्यू है तो प्लस की वैल्यू एक साथ में और माइनस की वैल्यू एक साथ में, एंड योर आंसर विल बी ज़ीरो. तो ये वेरीफाई कर लेना है, इसका आंसर ज़ीरो ही आना चाहिए. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट कॉलम. Next column we have to find out the absolute value, that is absolute deviation. Absolute value of x minus x bar. Absolute value of x minus x bar. This is straight line. ये bracket नहीं है. This is absolute value of x minus x bar. Now what does it means? अगर हम इस absolute के symbol के अंदर ये value अगर हम put up करेंगे, then your answer will become plus. इफ़ द वैल्यू इज़ नेगेटिव, अगर ये वैल्यू नेगेटिव है तो अगर हम उसकी एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे देन इट विल बी प्लस 14. मतलब एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ माइनस 14 विल बी 14. माइनस 2 एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू इट विल बी 2. मतलब जो भी माइनस की वैल्यू है वो प्लस हो जाएगी और प्लस की तो प्लस रहेगी. 0 विल बी 0 only. Minus 17 will become plus 17. 15 it will be same. 6 minus 9 it will become plus 9. 21 it is in plus, so there will be no change. Now we need the total of absolute value of x minus x bar in the formula for finding out mean deviation. So we will do the total of this column. इसका total करेंगे, then your answer will be 84. Now our next step will be, we have to apply the formula for finding out mean deviation. So let's apply the formula. Formula of mean deviation. Mean deviation, that is sigma of absolute value of x minus x bar divided by n is equal to sigma of absolute value of x minus x bar. What does it means? Absolute value of x minus x bar का जो column है, we have to find out the total. Sigma means sum. So total is 84. So we will put the value here, 84 divided by n. N means total number of observations. It is 8. So divide by 8. Your answer will be 10.5. So this is mean deviation. Now second thing we have to find out coefficient of mean deviation. So again we have to apply the formula. Main thing is you must know the formulas. अगर आपको formulas नहीं आ रहे, then you will not be able to solve the sums. So basic thing, learn the formulas. Now the formula of coefficient of mean deviation. Coefficient of mean deviation is equal to mean deviation upon x bar divided by x bar. So we have find out mean deviation. What is mean deviation? Mean deviation is 10.5 divided by x bar. X bar means mean. So we have find out mean here, that is 60. So divide by 60. After dividing you will get 0.18. I am writing this approx value. What you have to do? Point में अगर continue आ रहा है तो point के बाद में 2 digits में round off करना है, 2 digits में. So this will be coefficient of mean deviation. Coefficient of mean deviation for ungrouped data. This is ungrouped data, सिर्फ observations है. Is it clear? In next video we are going to understand how to find out mean deviation and coefficient of mean deviation for grouped data. Thank you.